How to get free Temu credit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get free credit on Temu. Well, there are multiple ways that you can receive Temu credits. That includes rewards for participating in the themed activities and promotional events, credits as part of the late delivery policy, and similarly refund payments when you choose Temu credit to receive your refund within 3 minutes instead of receiving it back to your original payment method. Now there are certain ways as well in the application. Besides this, you can open up Temu. You want to tap on the U option at the bottom of the screen on the home page. You can see U option there. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it there, you should see the option that says credit balance. If you tap on it, you'll be able to view your credit balance, as you can see here. How you can get it? Well, at the U page, you'll be able to see earn credits and free gifts option. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see various offers here depending on when you log in and the day you log in. If there are certain different offers available, and you can complete those events and get free credits as well. So this is the way that you can get free credit on Temu. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.